Sa panahon ngayon, hindi lang kita ang sukatan ng isang negosyo, kundi kung paano ito tumutugon sa pangangailangan sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. Alamin natin kung paano ang isang produktong kailanman ay hindi nawawala sa hygiene kit ay naging oportunidad sa negosyo. Panoorin po natin ito.
Hi, Miss Irish! Kamusta?
Hi, Miss Dayan. Hello po sa mga nanonood.
Year 2025 lang pala nitong June. Tell us more about your journey. Paano ka nagsimula?
Medyo mahirap siya at first dahil dominated na po yung market ng mga previous brands. And also, nagsimula po ako, it became my blooming project when I found out I have a thyroid cancer. Para mais po yung pain and also the emotional burdens, I focus my attention to providing or building the brand.
So, paano nagsimula yung conceptualization?
Yeah, actually ma'am, I found out po when I travel abroad, na found out ko na bakit ang gaganda ng napkin dito sa other countries. While ours po is, we just settled for what is available. And in fact, we also have our needs. For example po, ayaw natin ng makate and we don't like bulky. Of course, we are also handling too much na as a woman, as a mommy, and also as students. Parang for me, sanitary napkin should not be, it's non-negotiable already. It's known as the invisible pad in the market. It can hold up to 200 ml po, and it's also have an odor lock technology. And we don't use any whiteners or chemicals, kaya safe sa kahit anong skin type.
Sabi mo, nagkaroon ka ng thyroid cancer. Hindi ba to naging hadlang, for you to be able to really push for this business?
When I found out I have a thyroid cancer, actually, I don't see it as a burden, ma'am. I see it as another opportunity po because it's about clearing a path. So, it helps me a lot para mas makapag-focus. Kesa po magkaroon ako ng other thoughts or bad thoughts while having that cancer. It helps me with the journey kasi doon ako nagpo-focus.
Ano bang plano mo na ito? Ano bang strategy mo na gagawin?
Right now, ma'am, we have multiple resellers and distributors, pero inumpisan po namin siya sa mga sari store at saka sa mga school with awareness para po malaman ng mga kabataan na gamitin nila. It's also the quality also.
Nagbubukas sa kanila para magkaroon din sila ng trabaho, tips or advice or yung mga natutunan na pwede mong i-share sa mga kanegosyo natin.
Always find the solution and also look for your purpose. With your purpose, God will align you to it. So, magiging tama po lahat. Mas focus po muna sa purpose ninyo and sa solution.
You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Yan po ang mindset ng business owner na si Irish Chloe. Magkita-kita tayo ulit next week mga kanegosyo para sa iba pang business stories na ibabahagi namin sa inyo. Kaya naman tara! Negosyo!